Hey guys, Josh here, welcome back to a new video. So I haven't uploaded in over a week, and to get you guys up to scratch on my FBA journey, kind of what is actually happening, why I haven't uploaded, I have been going through a HAZMAT review. So for those of you who are new to FBA, that stands for Hazardous Material Review, and it's for products that could be considered dangerous to their customers. So Amazon are very good with what they allow people to sell on their platform. So they don't want any kind of rubbish being sold to their customers. So they make you go through a HAZMAT review so they can check all the kind of compliance stuff with the product that you're about to sell. So for this past week, I filled in pretty much everything I can about the product. So the description, I've added some photos, just some supplier ones, because I don't want to be doing proper photography for a product I might not be actually selling yet. Kind of weight, size, dimensions, stuff like that, why it would be considered a dangerous good. And I've got nowhere. It's been, they say 4 days to have it cleared, and it has been a week, maybe more, since I first submitted all the information. I uploaded the material safety data sheet, I think it's called. I uploaded that. So yeah, pretty much at this point I'm just waiting. I'd heard from a lot of sellers about the HAZMAT review. I never thought it would happen to me. I never kind of twigged on that my product would be on the dangerous goods list, and it is. So that's kind of my update. Let me know where you are, if you have had a HAZMAT review before and how you got over it, or maybe what your first steps for doing a HAZMAT, because the first thing you want to do is fill out a draft listing. Just fill out some rough keywords, pictures from suppliers, stuff like that. Upload your MSDS as soon as possible. Get all the information filled out, the little HAZMAT form when you go to convert to FBA. So other than that, guys, I really don't know what's going to happen. I've been contacting Amazon every single day since the start, and on the first day, they actually, because you can put your phone number for the Amazon seller support to ring back. On the first day, they rung back and they told me you need to fill out your description and some other stuff. All the other days, literally, they've just given me an automation message saying, we'll get back to you with more information. So they're really not helpful at the moment. I don't know what's going to happen. I'll keep you updated. My next video will be either the product is cleared and I've ordered stock, or I can't do the product, which would be strange because I've seen, obviously, getting into the product, I saw a lot of people are obviously selling it already. So I don't know, leave a comment. I'd love to have a chat where you are in your journey. If you need any help at all, send me an email or send me a DM on Instagram. Alright guys, fingers crossed it all goes to plan. It's just one of those things, so I'm not going to get mad about it. I'll catch you later.